Hi everyone, Mark Nicholson here. Have you ever thought about what the journey is that your customers take when they come to your website or when they want to buy from you? So this is what I call, or what's known as the customer journey roadmap. And it's thinking about, okay, when my customers first find out about me, like where are they, what are they looking for at that point? And at that point, how can I take them from that cold audience to a warm audience to a hot audience to a customer who's kind of going to be with us for a long time? And working out what this customer journey roadmap looks like is key to developing any type of online marketing strategy or any type of strategy in general, in fact. So if you can first think about, well, who it is that you're looking to target, no matter who that type of person is, whether or not that target audience is aware that they have a problem and they're actively looking for a solution, or if you're kind of looking to target people who aren't even aware that they have a problem and are looking for a solution, okay? So you might be bringing out something new to the market that no one else has talked about before, but it's a massive problem that you're looking to kind of make people aware of, and then from that you want to sell them on the solution. So that is, again, so problem aware to being aware, and obviously being able to make a decision on who to kind of solve this problem with. This is the kind of the customer journey. So it's 3 stages. So there's awareness, there's evaluation, and there's the decision stage. Okay, awareness is, like I've just said there before, people who are looking to kind of build up awareness of their problem, looking for solutions, typing into Google. I don't know, let's just say somebody doesn't know much about email marketing. Somebody types into Google, what is email marketing? Okay, and then they might be saying, well, they might be then doing how to use an email marketing software. Okay, so then they're kind of asking questions to kind of build up their awareness of what email marketing is, how to use it. From there, what type of questions, what's the next logical question they're going to be asking? Okay, well, what software should I use? So I want to get into email marketing. I know about the benefits of it now, but okay, what software is the best? So now we're on to the evaluation stage where they're looking to compare type of softwares. And this is where, as a business owner, if I'm selling an email marketing software, which I'm not, I don't want to have anything to do with that, it might be good to give comparisons of different types of email softwares out there, this one versus this one versus this one, so maybe it's 3 comparisons, or talking about the benefits of yours versus other people's software, or just educating them more on if your, let's say, software, let's say your product or service is unique and it has some unique factors about it, talking about them, and if they really resonate with the customer, which in your case, if you know who your ideal customers are and you know what their pain points they have, no matter what service or product you're offering, if they really resonate with them, you can pull them in. And if that resonates with them quick enough and you've already built the know, like, and trust factor, and that they will then be onto the decision stage where they might just buy there and then. So it's all about thinking about what type of questions are going through your customer's head at that moment in time, and that's what good marketing is. It's about answering the questions in your customer's mind at that moment that you're presenting, that you're being put in front of them. So if you're running a Facebook ad, let's say, and you're looking to target let's say you're looking to target a brand new customer audience who maybe haven't heard about you before, know nothing about what you do, that there I would be looking to kind of build up an awareness type of ad. So building up an awareness of a pain point, building awareness of the product or service and what benefits that can bring to them. I wouldn't talk about my company at that point because no one cares about that. They only want to know about solving their own problems, making their own life better, building up their dreams, achieving their dreams and aspirations that they have, or solving a pain that they have in their life. If you can talk about that and not about yourself, you're already doing better than 99% of businesses out there, because 99% of businesses, they just want to talk about themselves, and they want to talk about themselves in the language that they use and not the language the customer understands. So about customer languaging as well. So however, let's say people already are doing a bit of research, maybe they've already come to the website, they've read a blog, they've watched a video, they've downloaded an ebook, they're then what I would class as more in the evaluation stage or the decision stage. So that for me would be retargeting ads. So I'm retargeting people who have already maybe visited the website, already know a little bit about the company, the products and services that we offer, and are now looking to either evaluate or make a decision on that. So my ad would be different to what it would be for the awareness ad. I'd be looking to then create an ad which was either to get them to make a decision at this stage. Okay, so this is kind of key, and there's lots of different ways to do this, by the way. It's not all about creating blogs and getting people to the website. You can do this through video views on Facebook, so you can retarget people based on what videos they've watched, for example. But it's all, the whole point of this is to get into your customer's mind and to think about what their pains are at the start, at the middle, and at the end, and answering those questions for them and helping them get over the line and differentiating yourself and your company from other companies out there who are offering similar services. This is where, like, knowing what your USP is quite important and key, because if your USP resonates more with your ideal clients, that's going to be better, that they're going to kind of want to come and work with you instead, or buy your products and services as well. And this could be everything from, you know, the type of emails that you send out, how you present yourself on Facebook, what type of content you present on there. You might have two people that are selling the exact same product, but one doesn't do much on social, or the content they brought is very dry and salesy, and the other type of person's content is very helpful, it's very engaging, it's funny, it's, you know, it's educational, sell the exact same thing. But who are you going to buy from? You're going to buy from this one, the one who's actually kind of gets on better with you in that way as well. And that's why people want to be entertained, they want to be educated, they want to improve their life, but people want to have a smile on their face at the end of the day. If you can kind of help them do that, that's great as well. And at the decision end, that's all about, at that point is where I'd potentially talk about my company. Okay, the benefits of being a part of, you know, our type of company, come to work with us. This is what we can offer you once they're looking to make that decision. Okay, at that point is when I would talk about that, because then they're looking at the different companies out there, looking at which one to work with, which one not with. This doesn't need to be 3 separate stages. You can do all this in, let's say, one ad, in one step. So, you know, you could break your blog down: awareness, evaluation, and then decisiveness. If you are writing a blog and create videos like that, you can create 3 different videos, 2 minutes each video. First one talking about a pain point, awareness. Second one talking about like the evaluation stage, or the third one decision stage. But the key thing to take away from this is to just think about what your customers are thinking about. Again, even if it's just a case of you getting a piece of pen and paper, writing down the top, okay, what type of questions are my customers generally asking at the awareness stage, what's going through their mind at that point, writing some notes, creating some content on that, same for the next stage and same for the final stage. Because no matter where your customers are, even if your customers have never heard from you before and they've never read any of your awareness content, if they find you somehow, if you present a video to them which is at the evaluation level, they come in and they like what they see at that level, they're still going to potentially then buy from you and go through to the decision level. Okay, so have a think about that as well. If you what I'll do, I will actually give you a template that I use to kind of design this, which should be helpful for you. It'll have some questions in there that you can use. I believe it's a Word document template, so it should work on any type of Word. I will upload it to Google Docs, so you can kind of go there and access it straight away. I'll put the link for that with this video as well, and it has, let's say, some designed questions that can get you thinking there as well. It's something I use with my clients to work with them to develop this type of process. Because when it comes to having an online sales funnel, and when it comes to developing ads and online strategies, these are the type of things that you probably should be thinking about before you actually go out there and develop an ad, okay, and start spending money on these type of things. So hopefully that was helpful. If it was, great, give me a little thumbs up, that'd be much appreciated. Share this with anyone else that you know that might benefit as well. And if you have any questions whatsoever, as always, either leave them in the comments below or send me a message personally, either over Facebook or wherever you're seeing this video, or reach out to me at my website if you want as well. Okay, so thanks so much for your time, and we'll speak soon. Take care.